So guys, we just arrived, just popped into reception, pretty straightforward, checked in, give us the keys. I haven't been in yet to take a look. I'll take you guys over now, we'll have a look what we think. I've got my essentials. The parking's pretty close. Basically just got to walk around here and we are pretty much there. So guys, it's day 2 today. We went for a drive down to Mumbles, but it was a bit busy and the fog was a bit bad, so we ended up going into Swansea town centre. That's the problem around here guys, it's a good 45-minute drive for any superstore. There's a garage not far away, but that's just for basic odds and ends, that is. So tonight we just had a few pints now and we're gonna just chill out and enjoy the scenery. The weather's picked up quite nice, fog's on its way in, but other than that, stay tuned, see you tomorrow.
Messing with my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down.
So guys, from Easter weekend, this caravan and camping site would be absolutely jam-packed with caravans, tents, everything.
Why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
So then guys, this is day 3, which we went down to Mumbles Pier. It was absolutely stunning down there. Couldn't get over the scenery down there. They've done an amazing job refurbing the pier. So guys, we're going to wrap the video up there at a wicked time. Nice change of scenery. If you're new around here guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Any comments you want to drop in the comment section below. I'll drop the link for the Caravan site in the description, and I'll see you on the next video.